Okay. Topic 4, operations on sets. Okay, so we look at the table. Okay, in the table, there's this item, universal set. This is the symbol for universal set. And then this is the example, the universal set. Okay, subset, it means A subset B. Okay, A means subset of B. You must remember A sub of set B. It means part of set B. It means A is inside the B. Okay, it's called A subset B, sub of set B. Okay, sub means part lah. Empty set or null set can be either this symbol or this symbol. Okay, the empty set can be okay either this symbol. Okay, then number of elements in a set, that means there's an n. This uh, elements, that means if A is there are A, B, C, D, so number of elements will be 4. If A has a P, Q, R, number of elements will be 3. Element of means one element of A. One is the element of set A. Okay, this number of element for set A is okay. Set A subset of set E. Then you must remember in this topic, what is prime number? That means numbers cannot divide with other numbers. Okay, numbers always start with 2 or not 1. So 2 cannot divide by other numbers except for itself. Okay, 3 can divide with an own number only, cannot. 4 can divide by 2, so 4 is not in prime number. 5 cannot divide other numbers, so 5. 6 can divide by 2 or 3, so it's not. So everything that cannot divide other numbers will be prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. Odd numbers, that means 单数 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and so on. Even numbers will be 算数 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Factors, okay? Factors of 6 means, example, how to get number 6. 1 times 6. So 1 and 6 are factors of 6. And some more, 2 times 3. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Okay? So anything can multiply with 6 is called factors. Multiples means, you see, example, multiple of 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24, so on. If multiples of 2, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, and so on. That is called multiples of 6. Then we look at example 1. Given set A, okay, okay, example 1, given set A is a factor of 18, okay, so this is called meaning A subset of B. It means A is inside of set B. Okay, so A is a factor of 18. How factor of 18, it means how to get 18. It's not multiple. So factor. So how to get 18? Okay, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. So these are all factors of 18. So you arrange from alphabetical order 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So you must put bracket, this kind of bracket. Then it means the A, this set A. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 must be inside. So must be have a dot in front. Okay, so example 2, given P. P is a prime factors of 20. Find number of elements of P. Okay, prime factors of 20, that means how to get factors. Before finding prime factors, you find factors first. How to get 20? So 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. So you get 20. So these are all factors of 20. But from here, you must find prime numbers. 1 is not prime numbers, so start from 2. That means cannot divide with other numbers. 2 and 5. 4 can divide by 2. 10 can divide by 5 and 2. 20 can divide by 10, 5, 2. Okay. So answer is 2 and 5. So because they want number of elements, it means 1, 2, 2 elements inside. Vowels, okay, you must remember what is vowels and consonant. So remember the vowels. Vowels is A, E, I, O, U. So the rest will be consonant. That means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, and so on. U, Z. So example 3, list the elements. Okay, so elements of P is consonant for the word in the word students. So you must write down consonant. That means it's not vowel. This vowel U, E is vowel. So the rest you put here, but you don't repeat the same words. Double S cannot put only one. T double put one. D okay put. N put. Okay, so you get S T D N. So example 4, okay. So before we proceed with example 4 is more of an intersection. Okay, we go to intersection of set A and set B. A intersect B. Okay, A and B intersect means middle. That means where they touch. So P intersect Q intersect R. That means where the P, Q, and R touch. Three of it touch together. Okay, A intersect B equal to empty set or null set. That means doesn't happen. So A and B didn't touch. Okay, so this universal set lah. So given the universal set is between 10 to 25. Okay, this one is including. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so we list out first. Before that, we list out everything first. 10 to 25, list out everything. You must list out, easier to find. Some more, A question also asks you to list out. You don't list out, later on you will find problem. So list out element of user set. So list out user set. Then you want uh, P. Okay, we look at the question again. You want the P, Q, and R. Okay, so P, Q, R also must list out. So P, X is a prime number. So from universal set, find prime number. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So this one are prime numbers. Q is multiple of 4. It means 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, and so on. So 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24. So these out. Okay, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6. Then R is number where one of its digit is more than 7. That means this is these two together is still 10, double 10. So one is called digit. Uh, one only in digit. So must be either one number must be more than 7, not both add up. Is 10 is not considered one digit only. It's not 10. One of its tens, you can say like that. Usually call digit. So digit more than 7. That means this one is just 7. Then more than 7. 8 is more than 7. So 18 inside. 9 is more than 7. So 19 inside. The rest are less than 7. Okay. So digit 8, digit 9. So from here, you can draw the elements. Okay. This one is up to you, but this one I draw for you so that you understand the whole situation. Maybe you need it when they ask you to draw. So uh, the same one, okay. P and R, you look P and R, same is 19. So 19 inside. In front must have dot. If without dot, it's called number of elements. I mean inside got 19. But here is dot, it means one element only. It's 19. If no dot, it means it's four elements inside. Number of elements is four, so four, no need dot. Okay, so then R18, 18, nothing is in P and Q, so 18 alone at R. P, uh, only 19 is shared between P and R, so the rest 11, 13, 17, 23 is not in the R. Okay, then the Q 12, 16, 20, 24 is not inside PR, so in Q only alone. Okay, can be circle or square or rectangle, up to you. Then the rest PQR not inside, but appear in universal set, put here. Like 10, 10 is not here, so 10, 14, 15, 21, 22, 25. Okay, you can check, you can cancel, you find out. Then after that, B, find the elements of set P intersect R. Okay, oh, this one a bit can't see. Okay, so B, P intersect R. So P, intersect means touch. P and R touch together is 19. So we put 19, must put bracket. Okay, then C, find the number of element. P intersect Q intersect R. Before you find number of elements, find P intersect Q intersect R. P in Q intersect Q intersect R. Got three of it touch together, none. So it's empty set, doesn't happen. So number of elements is zero, because nothing. This one, actually no need. Either you put two bracket but empty inside, or it's zero, cancel. Then example 5. Okay, E is given that uh, A equal to W X Y Z. B is U V W X, and A intercept B is W X. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the set given. So of course you must find out A and B got touched together or not. Touched together is W and X, W X. So write once only. Okay, then you know you draw a circle must touch. Okay, Y Z not inside, so in A only. U V not inside, so in B only. So put dot in front. Draw, use pencil. Then example 6. Okay, given A, okay, PQRSTW, B RSTUV, C PSTUX. So draw a Venn diagram. So you must identify which one, three of it appear same thing, ST, ST, ST. So ST in A, B, C. Then you, okay. And from here, we look AB, AB for anything touch together, R, so put R. Okay, then AC, anything together, P, so P. Then BC, anything together, U, so U. Then the remaining one, Q and W over A, V at B, and X at C. You can count, make sure everything is inside. Don't write double, write once only. Then example 7. Okay. The Venn diagram in the answer space shows set P, Q, and R. Given that, okay, unit set is P union Q union R. On the diagram in the answer space, shape. Okay, when you shape, use pencil. So A, the set Q intersect R. Q and R intersect. That means both touch together is at R. You see this one Q, this one R, both touch together is inside here. So we should use pencil at No need ruler, just pencil one direction. You can put like this also can. You can like this also can. You can like this also can. Okay, but no need to draw too many lines or color. Don't need waste time. They will give you mark like this only. Make sure you draw properly. Must touch the box properly. Don't not enough. Okay. Then B, set P intersect Q intersect R. So before you do P intersect Q intersect R, you can try to draw the circle on your own first. Okay. Okay. P intersect Q intersect R, it means P, Q, R touch together is in the middle. You see? If you don't know, we can use this method. We can ignore the second symbol first. Just take the first symbol. Okay. P intersect Q. Okay. Let me write. Okay. This part first. We find P intersect Q. So P and Q intersect is here. You see? Okay. Then the whole R. Okay. Then you can use this one. Method also can. This R. This P. This Q. Okay. Then R is the whole R. Okay. So this R, this P intersect Q. Okay. These two intersect means two must touch together. Touch together is R only. So answer is R. You see? Okay. That's the final answer for this one. Don't this one too many lines because I want to show the difference only. Then we look example 8. Given universal set, okay, 10x is greater or equal to 10, less or equal to 20. So including, so 10 to 20, 10, okay, you write down 10, 11, 12, 13 until 20. Okay, then got P, okay, P is given. Then Q, prime number, so look here, prime number 11, 13, 17, 19. So Q 11, 13, 17, 19. Then you have to find this one. Before you find set of P intersect Q complement, before you want to find complement, okay, you find P intersect Q. That means P and Q intersect, same number appear. 11, 13, 17, 19. 9, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so complement means not inside here. 11, 13, 17, 11, 13, 17, 19, cancel it. Left only 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, right down here. That is the answer. Okay, you can draw a Venn diagram for you to see. Okay, P and Q touch together is 11, 13, 17, 19. So 11, 13, 17, 19. Left only P, 15, 15. So the rest not inside is 10, 11, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then P intersect Q, P intersect Q is here. So outside of here will be the complement. Which is 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Then the complement of set A. Okay. So this is set A. Okay. Complement outside. So if complement of P intersect Q, okay, we look at inside bracket first. P intersect Q is inside here. Complement outside of this one. Here, here. Okay. This one say this one without the big intersect, the big box. This one if add the big box, P intersect Q first, fine. P intersect Q is inside here. So complement it is outside. P intersect Q touch together is here. Complement outside. P intersect R, P and R touch together here. Complement outside. Yeah, before you want three of it together, you know how to see also can. PQR inside center here, complement outside. Okay. Then we look at example 9. Given that the universal set, okay, this one, P subset of Q, P inside Q. Okay. P inside Q, this is P and Q different. P inside Q, not Q inside P. This one no, P and Q different. P inside Q, correct. Then we look, Q intersect R equal to empty set. It means Q and R cannot touch. Q and R cannot touch. So answer is donkey. So example 10, find the complement of M intersect N. Complement of M intersect N. Okay, so universal set A E I O U, M is A E O U, N is I O U. Okay, before you find complement, find M intersect N. M intersect N, M and N intersect means two letters appear, O and U, so O U. So complement, okay, complement that means not in O U, not in O U will be A E I, so A E I. Okay, or you look at the Venn diagram, okay, O U same here, M and N, so O U. Okay, I didn't have not inside M, so I is at N over here. M is AE, so AE over here. So M intersect N, M intersect N is here inside. Complement, that means is here, AE and I. Okay, AE and I. So example 11, the Venn diagram in the other space shows, okay, this one, okay, then shade the set complement of P intersect Q. Okay, so before find complement, find P intersect Q. So we look here, P intersect Q, let's say I draw again, P, Q, this one R. Okay, P and Q intersect, that means P and Q touch. Then complement outside of this one answer. Because there's no universal set, here answer only. You see, no universal set. Okay, don't have universal, don't have big box. If got big box, must be including the box. Okay, this one, okay, got the box, so different answer. P intersect Q, P and is Q, these are, so this P, so P and Q intersect, P and Q intersect is here. You see, P intersect Q here. Okay, then complement, that means outside of this one. Outside this one, that means this one not included. Can you see? The whole box, everything. We not including this one. Then the union of set A and set B. Okay, union. This one is before that you learn intersect. Intersect this one. Then complement is this one. Okay, this one is outside. This one is touch together. Union means everything. Okay, so A union B, all the A and all the B. Okay, P union Q, all P and Q. Q union R, all Q and R. P union Q union R, all P, all Q and all R. Then example 12, okay, universal set 10 to 20, including, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then P is 16, 18, 20. Then R is multiple of 3, so we write down better. Okay, so 10 until 20. P is 16, 18, 20. Multiple of 3. How to get multiple of 3? Okay, we look here. 3 times 3 times 1 is 3, not inside here. 3 times 2 is 6, not inside here. 3 times 3 is 9, not inside here. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21, not inside. So 12, 6, 15, 18. Then you say Want to find P union R, all the P and R, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20. 18 don't repeat twice, once only. And if you want to draw the Venn diagram, no problem. So we look P and R, same number is 18, so 18 meter inside. Then there's doesn't clash, doesn't have in R is 16 and 20, so in the P only. And then doesn't 12 doesn't 12 and 15 not inside P, is at the R only. So the rest not inside here, okay, you put over here like 10, okay, 11, 12 is inside here, so can I put 13, 14, 15 is inside the R, 16 is 16 inside P, 17, so you use the pencil cancel, you okay, you already cancel 16, 15, 20, 12, 15, okay. But when exam time you cannot cancel, these are after your mark answer, you got already people say you use pencil, then you rub back, okay, exam time. Unless it's objective, okay. Okay, so all cancel, so left only 10, uh, 10, 11, 13, 14, 10, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19, 17, 19, all is here. Okay, that's how you put the thing, how you draw the Venn diagram. So example 13, x is between 10 to 25 including, so you write down, okay, 10 to 25. Then P 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, write down. You need write down here. Here got, so can also. You want to write down also can. Q also given. Okay, R also given. So you want to find number of element complement of P union Q union R. Before you find number of element, before finding complement, you write down P union Q union R first. So P union Q union R. All the PQR. So all the PQR number same, don't repeat that. So 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24. Okay, then want to find complement, it means all inside, not inside here. All inside here, cancel, cancel from the universal set. 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24. So the remaining one, okay, complement will be 10, 14, 15, 21, 22, 25. Okay, then number of element will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay, number of element no need bracket, remember, only element you need to bracket. So when you want to draw a Venn diagram, same one, okay, P and R same, P and R same is 19, so 19 inside. So remaining 18 put in R, remaining 11, 13, 17, 23 put at P. Must check also with Q. So Q 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay. Then the rest not in PQR. Okay. 10, 14, 15, 21, 22, 25. Put outside. And you put the big box universal set. So understanding the diagram, P union Q, P and Q whole P whole Q intersect complement, sorry, not intersect, complement outside. Okay. Then P union Q, whole P and Q complement outside. P union R, P and R Here is P and R outside. Don't color actually shading because it's a textbook. P union Q union R, P Q R, all don't shade outside. Okay. Then example 14. Then given this one and then shade. Shade which one? A. A is this one, B is this one. Uh, Q union R complement. Okay. So when you want to find Q union R complement, before you find complement, you find inside Q union R because there's no box. So Q and R union, that means everything Q and R. Then complement, that means outside. So outside here. Okay. Then you look at B. Okay. This one got box. Universal is box. Now this one no box. Okay. So from here, P union Q first. P and Q union every P Q. You can ignore the R. Okay. P whole Q. Then complement is outside of this one here. Outside. Okay. Then combine operation means what you learn in union, intersect, and complement all used inside. So we look at diagram. Okay, P intersect complement of Q. So you can look at complement of Q. This Q complement is outside. Okay, but must touch at intersect at P. Touch P. Okay, this one understanding. Some can catch this, very good. Cannot, then you must use the method I teach you later on. Okay, then P union Q must always look in front first and look at the back. Okay, unless at this situation, one symbol only, then you can look at the back. P union Q, P and Q union, that means whole P and whole Q. Then intersect complement of R. Then this R complement is outside, in touch there, or touch here. Okay, then this one for this situation, look at the bracket first. Okay, this one no bracket. That's why you start from beginning. Start from front. So in bracket first. So Q union R, Q and R holding here. Complement means outside here. Everything. But must intersect, touch at P here. Then example 15. Okay. So user set 10 to 20 including so write down. Okay. 10 until 20. Then P, okay, P written here, same thing. Q is prime number, so we look here, prime number is 11. Hello? Hello? Okay, so from here, I want to block this one. Okay, continue again. So from here, user set 10 to 20, 10 to 20. Then from here, P, okay, 16, 15, 20. Q is prime number, that means 11, cannot give other number, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so 11, 13, 17, 19. Then R is multiple of 3, so 3 times 3 is not inside here, it's 9. 3 times 4, 12, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7 is 21, not inside. Okay, then want to find P union R intersect complement of Q. Find the bracket first. So P union R, so P and R union, that is all the P and all the R. P and R holding is 12, 15, 16, 18, 20, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20. So complement of Q, okay, Q is this one. Complement of Q means not inside the Q, means you cut out the, yeah, out the 11 go first, out the 11, 13, 17, 19. So this one go inside the complement of Q. 10, 21, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. And from here, uh, these two intersect. So the number appeared twice. So 12, 12, 15, 15, 16, 16, 18, 18, 20, 20. So that is answer. Step by step. Objective also saying you need to piece out so that you will find the answer easier. Then we look example 16. Okay. Then we look here. Uh, you want to shape the region. Okay. It's not all combined operation. That's why very difficult to find also if you are not used to it. I really used to it so I can understand. But I can teach you the step easier. So because okay, this one is there are two symbol. You're right. You see this one got bracket, so easy for you. So this one you use you can draw the same. Okay, this one no big box so you can draw the same diagram again. Okay, so I draw the same diagram as here. J K L J K L. The two diagram because I want to draw two diagram then combine. J the whole J shape. K intersect L touch together. K and L touch together. Then these two union combine means hold this one, the hold this one becomes hold this one and this one. Then this one also same. You can draw the diagram. This one got one diagram, and one got one diagram. Okay, so the first diagram you can draw the JKL first. JKL two diagram. J union K. J union K, all the J and K, all the J and K. You see? Then complement of L. L outside is L, so outside. Didn't touch the L. Then these two intersect, touch only. Both uh, appear same place. Okay, appear same. Can you see? Sun here appear same place. So shaded region is. You see, draw one direction only. Not dotted lah. It's straight line lah. Then example 17. Okay, so also shade. So this one no big box also So Q union R. Okay, so Q and R, all Q and R. This one all the Q and all the R. Okay, this one also same pattern because got two. Okay, so you can draw two diagram. Okay, I draw two diagram. You can see P Q R. So P Q R P Q R. Okay, then find the bracket first. And this one another one. Okay, this for R. This for P intersect Q complement. Okay, P intersect Q, P and Q intersect is here. You see, touch together. Then complement outside of this one is here and here. Then whole R, whole R. Not this one okay. Yeah, very confusing. This word. Okay, so now here only R, the whole R. Okay, then these two combine, union, add up both. So here, here, and here. So become like this. Okay. Then example 20. Okay. This is objective A, B, C, D. So considering the four region A, B, C, D, which of these represent the set P intersect R intersect complement of Q? So you can draw a diagram. The P here, the Q and the R. So the Q is like this. I redraw so that you can see easier. This one is P, Q, this R. Okay. Then P intersect R, P intersect R. Another one is complement of Q, complement of Q. Yeah, no bracket, that means you start with front first. P intersect R, P and R touch together only. P and R touch together is here. Here. You see? Here only. Then Q complement, that means is Q, outside of Q is go to here. Outside of Q. Must throw follow me. No, no, here. Then these two combined together is intersect. That means both got touch only same place, only can draw, can same place is this one. You see? So there is the shaded region. Must be same place. See this part is here, this part. So it's P. You see this part. Then example 21. Okay. The shaded region of Venn diagram represent the set. So we must test one by one. Uh, find out this one. Cannot wrong answer, then you find C. B, then you find C, then you find D. Usually in front one. It won't be too tough for you because it takes time. So if I test A first, check whether correct or not lah. So I can draw a diagram again. Okay, but not clear, so I draw again for you to see. Okay, so this P, these Q, these R, P, Q, R. So P first. Okay, the whole P. Okay, complement of Q. Q is here. So complement of Q is here. This one is another method lah. So okay, that one is another method. Okay, I think that one more confusing to you. So I use this method. So this is Q outside. Then these two intersect, touch together. The area they touch is this part. You see? This part and this part. Okay, so this part. So correct. So answer A. Then example 22. Okay, given that one usually A or B only answer. Usually lah, because it takes time. So given universal set, this one, O A union B union C, all the A, B, C. A is Kedah, B is Perlis, C is Selangor. Then want to find number of elements. So before finding number of elements, find bracket first, then find union plus union B, then only find number of elements. Okay, so we find bracket first, A intersect B, A and B intersect is E. The means say number appear E and then some more problem. Okay. Sorry, it's A and C, not A and C. A and C is E and A. Okay, so E and A. Then B, it is a B, so union all the okay EA and all the B must write down, but must not be up. So I write EA first. Okay, then if you usually put alphabetical order easier lah, but this one because it's number, the letters are according not following alphabetical order, so no need lah. Then the rest of B is PERLIS, so E got already, no need, right? RLIS, so cannot repeat, same number, same letter. Then this one is number of element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7. Okay, you can draw a diagram to see the picture if you want to draw lah. Okay, example 23 again. So this one want to find complement of set Q. So this Q complement is here outside in this one. You see, this Q outside. So MRS. So MRS. So okay. Then example 24. Okay. This one is number of elements. Means there's no dot in front. That means how many numbers, number like elements inside. Here got one only. Here got three inside. Here got four. Here got two. Here got one. Here got three. Here to know. This got here outside got two. Okay. So we say number of element of P equal to number of element of Q intersect R. So okay, below here number of element of P equal to number of element of Q intersect R. P is how many? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then Q intersect R is Q and R intersect is here. 4 plus X. Then here add up is 10. Then you want to find X. 4 bring over. 4, 10 minus 4. Because I want positive X easier. So it's 6. So X is 6. This is 6. Then example 25. Okay. Number of subset is 30. Means add up everything is 30. So you want to find x plus y. So everything add up equal to 30. Okay. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus x plus y equal to 30. Then this one add up, everything is 20. So x plus y equal to 20 bring over minus 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. So answer 10. Then you must understand this one. This A. A only, it means it's over here only. Here only, this part. B only B here. C only C. Okay. A and C only. A and C only. Okay. This A and C only. Nothing involved to B. A and C only. This A and B only. A and B only here. Okay. B and C only. B and C only is here. A, B and C. A, B and C is here. Okay. This one use words one, so a bit difficult lah. Okay, more hot question lah. They say Venn diagram, universal set is from 4 students. A is students who like basketball, B is students who like badminton. So A is basketball, B is badminton. Means this one both also they like basketball and badminton. This one like only basketball. Here likes only badminton. Here don't like anything. So number of element of A is 60. That means her whole here is 60. Number of element of B is 84. Here is 84. So this one got 2 times number already. So number of element of A intersect number element. Okay, means how many element. A intersect B, A and B intersect here is 16. And 6 of them decide and playing any game. So 6 is outside. But inside universal set. Okay. So from we understand A is 60, so whole A is 60. Because here is 16, 16. So 60 minus 16, get 44. And then B is 84, 84. 84 minus 16, I get 68. You cannot, this one already add up twice here, so must be where 6 this side, so 6 outside. So find the total from 4 students, so add up everything. If you add up 60 and 80 is now, this one you add up twice already. Okay, so only you can add 44, 16, 20, 68, 6. You get 134. So answer 134.